Here I have an example of basically problems and bad solution for the redundancy analysis of the constraint. So here I have an assembly in which I have few elements, and currently this element, this prop, is constrained with this axis. So now this bolt has constraints that made face to the washer and angle to the angle, so it doesn't rotate. And if I apply a constraint between here and the axis here, the redundancy constraint analysis indicates this constraint is over constraining the assembly, because basically it is 1 degree of freedom to match constraint, because this is already perpendicular, and basically this covers the same constraint. If I delete that and constrain this, but not with the axis of the hole, but axis of the hole inside this, then the redundant constraint analysis does nothing. It does not indicate, although mathematically this solution is exactly the same, because this is constrained with the hole in this plate. So basically this axis is the same as the other axis. So this axis is perpendicular to this plane, and this constraint mathematically is exactly equivalent to the other one. So axis to axis. But this pair gives a redundant constraint analysis indication, and the other one does not. So there is some inconsistency in how inventor solves this, because basically this is the same.